Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm back in the kitchen with another one. I'm gonna make some okra punch with a few ingredients. It is weekend, and trust me, weekend drink like this, you can't go wrong, guys. 100%. All right. I'm gonna be making an okra punch, but trust me, you guys gonna love this one. It's something totally different. All right. So right here, I have some okra, and I make some sea moss drink the other day, and I use ocean moss right here. This is what I used to make it. All right. Yeah, man. Ocean moss, check them out. Check them out, guys. If you want to get some proper sea moss gel, here it is. Alright? Yeah, man. Big them up every time. It's going to be a simple one, and I'm going to put some oats in it and a few ingredients just so you guys can see exactly what I want. Then we're going to blend it up. Alright? Yeah, man. And I heat this up, and that's the thing there. So today we're going to make an okra punch, and it is a weekend drink. You drink this before you go to your bed. You know your wife can't leave you. 100% guarantee upon that. Alright, so basically, as I said, it's gonna be okra punch and 100%. Alright, nice one. So it's gonna be an okra punch recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking today, and trust me, guys, we're not gonna love this 100%. Alright, now what am I gonna do? I'm gonna jump straight into it right now. Alright, okra punch. Alright, from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Alright, now, so first of all, we got some oats right here. We got some oats right here, and we're gonna put the oats straight inside of the blender. Okay, now this is some okra which I have soaking into some water from overnight, and this is the way it look. All right, so right here, this is my okra which I soak overnight, and I'm going to pop it straight inside of the blender like this. All right, okra is very good for you. All right, okay, now this is some sea moss which I make one yesterday or 2 days ago. I made this one and I have some more left over. All right, I use a sea moss gel to make it. All right, so this is the sea moss. We're gonna put that straight inside of it like this. All right, we're using a cup height. Yeah, nice one. Now what I'm gonna do, I have some almond milk which I'm gonna also use inside of it. All right, so I have some almond milk. I'm gonna put a little bit of almond milk inside of it. All right, almond milk is very good for us, guys. All right, 100%. Then, all right, now we got the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. This is the baking essential mix. I'm gonna be using this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of the mixed spice inside of it, and that's gonna bring in the flavor. All right, from the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. Yeah, man, big them up. All right, now honey. We all know that honey is very good for men, and every man should have honey. All right, yeah. So basically, we're gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of honey inside of this. All right. Lovely and nice. It's a simple little ingredients, but it's very effective. Alright? Yeah, man. So I may put a little bit of I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla inside of it. Alright? That's a teaspoon. That's a teaspoon of vanilla inside of it. Alright? Okra punch. And then we're just going to blend this now. Alright? Yeah, here it is. Gonna blend up this. Alright, so we're gonna make a little bit of nice. Alright, guys, so stay tuned in and listen to what I go on and with Chef Ricardo. Okra punch. Yeah, man. Yeah, here it is. So look, okra punch. Alright, you have to drink this for the weekend. not during the week. Alright, guys? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. And you know exactly what Chef Ricardo talk about when I talk about okra punch. Alright? Yeah. So, Ocean Mass, big up yourself anywhere you are. Big them up 100%. Because them make it thing possible. Alright? Yeah. And Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice. Here it is. We use them spice mix. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Now, as you can see, this is how it look. Nice and lovely. Okra punch from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Big up on yourself. And this is how it look. Alright. Look at this. Amazing. Alright. So you just want to drink this every night. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Okra punch from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Simple and also delicious. Alright. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Look at that. That is delicious and an amazing. Alright. Remember, check out the oceanmass.co.uk and also the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. They're the one who make the thing possible. Alright. Big them up every time. 100% from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Stay tuned for more tips.